Rimfire handguns have come a long way. What used to be a backyard plinker has grown into a serious training asset. The round may still be the trusty .22 long rifle, but the purpose behind these pistols has matured. What were once brushed off as casual weekend shooters now come equipped with threaded barrels for suppressors, optic-ready slides, and tuned triggers that deliver true precision. These aren't toys anymore. They're refined training platforms shaped by thousands of rounds on the range, evaluated for control, reliability, and training value. Looking ahead at the offerings landing in 2025, several trends are front and center. Higher magazine capacities are becoming the norm. Factory slides now often ship pre-cut for red dots, and even budget-friendly options are coming suppressor-ready right out of the gate. Not every model gets it right, but the ones that do earn their reputation through hard use. Not hype or marketing. What follows is a roundup of rimfire pistols that deliver where it counts: consistency, function, and trainer-level performance across shooting disciplines. Number 10. Kel-Tec P17. When you talk about value-packed rimfire pistols, the Kel-Tec P17 always seems to catch people off guard. It punches well above its weight class, offering a host of usable features in a featherweight polymer frame. This little gun is chambered in .22 long rifle and holds 16 rounds in the magazine, plus 1 in the chamber, more than enough for extended range time without reloading constantly. Weighing just under 15 ounces when fully loaded, it's easy on the belt and even easier on the wrist. The barrel is already threaded for a suppressor, and the slide features a high-visibility fiber optic front sight, along with a fully adjustable rear for windage and elevation. The trigger has a surprisingly crisp break and quick reset, better than most pistols in its price range. It operates via a blowback system that runs smoothly with decent standard velocity ammunition. Both the magazine release and safety levers are ambidextrous, making this one a solid choice for lefties. Is it going to win any beauty contests? Not a chance. But it runs clean, holds up under abuse, and makes an excellent entry-level option for shooters looking to build solid fundamentals without breaking the bank. Number 9. Ruger SR22. Ruger nailed the balance of form and function with the SR22. It's one of those pistols that just feels right the second you get it in your hands. It runs a 10+1 setup and comes with 2 magazines. The aluminum frame offers enough heft to tame recoil, while the polymer grip sleeves are swappable to suit nearly any hand size. Deep front and rear serrations make slide work easy without chewing up your fingers. It's got a visible hammer and runs a traditional double-action, single-action trigger system, delivering consistent and familiar feedback. Thanks to its fixed barrel setup, this thing holds tight groups, and the 3-dot sight picture is clean and straightforward. Need a suppressor? No sweat, a thread adapter is included. Whether you're working through malfunction drills or drawing from a holster, this pistol runs without complaint. It's been in Ruger's catalog for a while, and it's earned its keep. Between the reliable cycling, modular design, and excellent handling, the SR22 is a no-nonsense rimfire you'll keep coming back to. Number 8. Glock 44. Glock's 44 was their way of saying, yeah, we're taking rimfire training seriously. Built to match the profile and grip angle of the legendary Glock 19, the 44 is chambered in .22 long rifle and gives shooters a high-volume practice tool that mimics their carry setup without chewing through cases of 9mm. It runs 10 rounds per magazine and features a hybrid slide, made from both steel and polymer. That mix keeps things durable, but light enough for extended use. The controls, takedown method, and feel are pure Glock, so transitioning between this and your primary pistol is seamless. The sights include an adjustable rear and solid front post, and with decent ammo. It cycles reliably. An internal loading assist makes reloads faster, especially helpful during repetition-heavy practice sessions. Accuracy is dialed in, thanks to the tight fit between the slide and barrel. And it maintains the simple, no-nonsense maintenance Glock is known for. The aftermarket's growing too, so you can personalize it, just like your full-size carry gun. Number 7. Walther P22Q. Walther's P22Q stands out as one of the more user-friendly rimfire pistols around. It pairs a steel slide with a polymer frame for a balance of strength and comfort that shines in longer shooting sessions. It's got enough weight to stay planted, but not so much it becomes a burden. You get a double-action, single-action trigger that lends itself to both new shooters and experienced users alike. The paddle-style mag release is ambidextrous and easy to use without shifting your grip. It ships with a thread adapter in the box, so if you want to throw a suppressor on, you're ready from day one. No gunsmith needed. Slide serrations at the front and back help with control, and the fixed sights keep things simple. The grip is one of the better ones in its class, with replaceable back straps for a custom feel. The texture is just aggressive enough to maintain control without turning into sandpaper during long days on the range. Safety-wise, you're looking at a frame-mounted manual safety and a magazine disconnect, useful for instilling safe handling habits. Feeding issues used to be a concern, but recent models are running bulk ammo with minimal hiccups after a short break in period. The P22Q is reliable, practical, and extremely approachable, whether you're training new shooters or dialing in your own skills. It'll keep up. Number 6. Kel-Tec CP33. If you're chasing high capacity, rimfire, firepower, the Kel-Tec CP33 brings something wild to the table quad. Stacked magazines holding a whopping 33 rounds of .22 long rifle. Whether you're hammering through steel challenge courses or just lighting up the range for fun, this pistol minimizes downtime and maximizes trigger time. A fiber optic front pairs with an adjustable rear sight to give you sharp visibility at distance, while the 5 1/2 inch barrel stretches your sight radius for better accuracy. Across the top, there's a full-length Picatinny rail ready to accept your favorite red dot with no need for adapters. The pistol's grip design and styling are futuristic, sure, but every element serves a clear purpose. Rear charging handles are ambidextrous, easy to grab even when gloved, and feel natural when working under pressure. The trigger is light, snappy, and well-tuned for rapid follow-up shots. It may look like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, but make no mistake, this gun is all business. Built from a mix of aluminum and polymer, the pistol maintains a balanced feel while keeping recoil low. Even during fast strings of fire, it performs best with hotter rounds, but runs reliably with most rimfire loads, provided you keep it clean. If you're looking for unmatched magazine capacity, optic-ready features, and a cutting-edge appearance that performs in the real world, the CP33 is ready to impress. Number 5. FN 502 Tactical. Rimfire pistols have gone tactical, and the FN 502 Tactical is leading the charge. Built to mirror FN's duty-sized centerfire guns, this .22 long rifle pistol delivers familiar ergonomics and enhanced training utility. The slide is aluminum, paired with a polymer lower to maintain strength without excessive weight. Straight out of the box, the barrel is threaded and ready for a suppressor, while raised combat-style sights co-witness with red dots for maximum versatility. The slide is already cut to directly mount most micro red dot optics. No plates, no extra hardware. FN also made it completely southpaw friendly with ambidextrous slide locks and safeties, plus a reversible magazine release. Speaking of mags, each 10-round magazine includes a loading tab that's a lifesaver during long-range days or cold weather shooting. The barrel is fixed in place, which improves consistency and accuracy across a wide range of ammunition types. Whether you're feeding it standard or high-velocity rimfire, this pistol cycles smoothly and confidently. For those already running full-size, FN pistols. Like the 509, the 502 Tactical delivers nearly identical balance and feel perfect for consistent training at a lower cost. It's a rugged, real-world shooter built for tactical drills, skill refinement, or suppressed fun. Number 4. Smith & Wesson SW22 Victory. In a world overrun by plastic-framed pistols, the SW22 Victory from Smith & Wesson stands tall as a steel-framed tack driver, built with precision and durability in mind. Machined from stainless steel, this pistol has a solid, rugged feel, yet it's tuned for performance. The 5.5-inch bull barrel helps control muzzle rise and makes it easy to stay on target during rapid shots. The barrel is factory threaded, so suppressor installation is plug and play. It comes standard with bright fiber optic sights, green up front, red in the rear for fast and clear target acquisition. You also get a top-mounted Picatinny rail for instant optic mounting. One of the best features? Disassembly takes just a single screw, making deep cleaning or barrel swaps almost effortless. It runs on 10-round magazines that are easy to load and stand up to repeated use. The single-action trigger is crisp with a short reset, delivering excellent feedback for accurate work. Because of its fixed barrel setup, it stays consistent even when you stretch your shots out to longer ranges. Between its upgrade potential, rock-solid construction, and excellent accuracy, the SW22 Victory is a modular rimfire platform made for serious shooters who like to fine-tune every detail. Number 3. Ruger Mark IV Tactical. Ruger's Mark IV Tactical takes decades of rimfire legacy and brings it into the modern era with smart upgrades and tactical features. With a fixed 4 2/5-inch barrel threaded from the factory, this pistol is suppressor ready right out of the box. The barrel's rigidity enhances accuracy, and the fully adjustable rear sight gives you control over shot placement. Dual Picatinny rails, one on top and one underneath, allow for red dot optics, lights, or even a vertical grip if you're running a two-hand setup. The grip frame is based on the 245 series, giving you a familiar 1911 style angle that many shooters naturally favor. Perhaps its most beloved feature, tool-free takedown. Just press a button, and the upper slides off the lower. Cleaning has never been easier. 10-round mags keep feeding smooth through its bolt-action design, and it performs best with higher quality ammunition. Though with minor tuning, it'll chew through most bulk stuff too. The trigger has a defined wall and a clean break, promoting confidence from shot to shot. Ruger's long-standing experience in the rimfire space is baked into every element here. From casual plinking to tactical drills and suppressor testing, the Mark IV Tactical remains one of the most refined and reliable rimfire options in the game. Number 2. Taurus TX 22 Competition SCR. Taurus really stepped up with the TX 22 Competition SCR, a race-ready version of their already popular TX 22. This variant was purpose-built for speed, stability, and high-volume accuracy. The fixed barrel is anchored directly to the frame for better shot-to-shot consistency, and it comes from the factory with threading for compensators or suppressors, giving you extra recoil control or suppress capability without modification. What makes this model stand out is its optics ready slide design. Red dots mount directly onto the barrel block, meaning your optic stays zeroed and stable even under recoil. The trigger is light and fast, offering a short, clean pull that's perfect for quick follow-up shots. It's also got an extended mag release, improved grip texture, and control-focused ergonomics, all of which make it competition-ready right out of the gate. 16-round magazines provide plenty of firepower, and reliability remains strong through extended sessions. Ejection is consistent, and the pistol feeds most types of rimfire ammunition with ease. If you're shooting fast and need precision, this platform will keep up. For competitive rimfire shooters or anyone running timed drills, the TX 22 Competition SCR hits that sweet spot between affordability and high-end features. But even with all these top-tier pistols, one rimfire handgun still claims the #1 slot, offering the best blend of capacity, modular options, accuracy, and all-around versatility for 2025. Number 1. SIG Sauer P322. Leading the rimfire pack in 2025 is the SIG Sauer P322, a pistol that doesn't just check boxes, it rewrites the standard. SIG went all in when designing this handgun, offering a feature set that would normally be spread across several different models, then took it further by loading it with 20-round magazines, an uncommon sight in the world of .22 long rifle. But this pistol isn't just about raw capacity. It's the complete build that makes it shine. With a polymer frame mated to a robust aluminum slide, the P322 offers outstanding weight distribution and structural strength. Controls like the thumb safety, slide stop, and magazine release are either fully ambidextrous or user configurable, perfect for both right and left-handed shooters. The flat-faced trigger delivers a consistent, smooth press that's ideal, whether you're working on precision fundamentals or hammering out rapid strings. Right out of the case, you're set up with a threaded barrel adapter and a slide cut for direct red dot installation. No adapters, no guesswork. The tall factory sights are fiber optic and co-witness cleanly with most miniature optics, making for an ideal dual-purpose setup. SIG took special care in shaping the grip module, which feels familiar if you've handled any of their centerfire models like the P320 or P20X series. The fixed barrel, combined with a well-tuned blowback system, keeps recoil minimal and cycling ultra-reliable. During extended range sessions, the pistol continues to run strong, even when fed bulk pack rimfire loads. The internal extractor and ejection system stay consistent through high round counts and rough handling. What truly sets the P322 apart is its completeness. Unlike other manufacturers who spread premium features across various versions, SIG chose to roll them all into a single, high-performance platform. From its 20-round magazine capacity to its optics, ready design, and universal controls, this rimfire pistol stands at the top, not because it specializes in one thing, but because it excels at everything. That wraps up our list, 10 rimfire pistols that go far beyond gimmicks or entry-level plinkers. These aren't just range toys. They're serious tools designed to sharpen your fundamentals, run hard in drills, and adapt to your shooting style. Each one earns its place through proven function, practical enhancements, and repeatable performance. You don't have to drain your wallet or run thousands of rounds of centerfire to elevate your skills. A well-made .22 long rifle handgun offers tremendous value, low recoil, low cost per shot, and high potential for growth. Whether you're dialing in a suppressor build, experimenting with red dot transitions, or prepping for your next steel match, these pistols are built to work with you, not against you. Now it's your turn. What rimfire pistol do you rely on for training? Did any on this list catch you off guard? Or maybe there's a sleeper pick we didn't include. Drop your thoughts in the comments. This isn't about brand names. It's about what runs reliably and delivers on the range. In the end, once the mags are empty and the smoke clears, performance is what matters most. Choose the rimfire that earns its place in your lineup.